Let's do a review of Tesla and the stock indices to see how the market is performing today. Tesla closed at 220.89 minus 44 cents. Post-market seemed to be up a little bit. So let's look at what this means in our chart. The chart is giving us the context to which we can assess what's happening. We are into a downward channel, short-term downward channel. Tesla is trending down, has been trending down since October. This is the current trend. Until we break this, this is very precise, very clear, very logical. Technical analysis is very logical. Until we break this downward channel, we are still into the downward channel. And what we tend to do is zigzag into the channel. So right now we are going sideways. We have a little bit of stability, but it does not mean that we are going to go up. And it does not even mean that we could be going sideways, because we could be going sideways until this downward resistance, and then we could cave in. So basically, this is what a channel is. And we can identify channels everywhere, all the time. And these channels, the larger they are, the longer they hold. So right now here we have a pretty shallow channel. So this will not last as long as this larger channel that we had right here, which lasted from April 2024 to basically right now in October. So, it's still 5-6 months, 5-6 months that the stock has behaved according to a channel. So this is pretty powerful stuff. And if we look back further, I like to come back to this one. This is an even larger channel, and that channel has described the stock, overall the stock of Tesla for the past 2 years. This was the channel that Tesla was obeying. So on this channel, we are finding those channels that last a long time. I can find you another one, March 2020, up until, let's say in February of 2022, 2 years. 2 whole years that this behaved according to this channel right here. So, can we predict the future? No. But can we extrapolate the current channel a stock is in into the future? Yes, we can do that. And you pick any stock. I can find a channel that the stock is obeying. And this is really powerful. This is Air Canada. Look at the channel right here. Look at the channel from 2020 to 2024. 4 years, the stock has been going sideways, doing nothing. You can choose to leave your money into a stock like this. You can choose it. It's going sideways. Once you identify a horizontal channel, a stock, you can pretty much sell at this point and buy back at this point. So at least you are going to make a little bit of money at some point. Or you can sell at this point right here and keep your money until the stock breaks this and then starts to have another channel up. So the channels that we identify are very, very important. They are helping us manage our money. And I can find you a channel on anywho. So Tesla right now, we are into a downward channel, and we have the earnings call that is going to happen next Wednesday. So until then, we might be just going sideways for a while, doing absolutely nothing. And that is fine. We have other stocks that we can look at. We have other stocks that we look at in my community and also in my Buy Alert membership. We are looking at other stocks that are really moving. We are looking at ARM that is moving. We are looking at NVIDIA, which is moving, and we are spending time on stocks that are moving. VIX was increasing as a whole. It was increasing, and we had this support line that was supporting that movement. And now we are starting to see the first break into that support. We like when we break support for the VIX, because when the VIX is going down, the stock market is going up. So we are now seeing some signs that the VIX is weakening. We are losing stochastic over 60. We are breaking this upward support. This is going in the right direction. We could be seeing a general move up in the stock market because of this. We could be. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones continuing. And Dow Jones also is into a bullish channel. S&P 500 also continuing. This is the channel it is now in. NASDAQ is into this big, huge channel, and we are talking years. We are talking years. And right now, if we look at a more short-term channel that we are in, this is the one that we are in right now. We are going higher and higher, and we are getting close to some resistance. So far, we still have some leeway to go upwards. And then when we start to touch that resistance above here, then we are going to check if we are going to cave into that resistance or if we are going to go through that resistance. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.